Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Cash App application from your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your Cash App application from your mobile device, then what you can do is simply spot your Cash App application from your app drawer and press and hold the application for some time. You'll be able to open up a pop-up menu right above the application. Tap on the uninstall button in order to delete the application from your system. To confirm the action, tap on OK in the pop-up. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to uninstall Cash App application from your Android device. If you want to get back to Cash App in the future, you'll need to download the application from your Play Store. Then you'll be able to use the application right away. That is how you can delete Cash App application from your Android device. If you are done using the application, I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.